Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Google Pixel 10 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today, we're diving deep into their stunning displays, powerhouse chipsets, groundbreaking cameras, battery life, memory options, durability, and of course, price. Which phone boasts the brightest, most immersive screen? Who packs the fastest and most efficient processor? Can the camera of either model truly redefine mobile photography? And with battery capacity so close, which one lasts longer in real life? Plus, the S25 Ultra comes with a stylus, game changer, or gimmick. By the end, we'll ask the big question: is the Pixel 10 Pro's pure Android experience worth sacrificing the extra bells and whistles of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Stay tuned. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the lead with a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, delivering up to 2600 nits peak brightness and an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This means brighter visuals and stunning clarity even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for media lovers and gamers alike. The Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED is no slouch, but peaks at 3300 nits only briefly and offers slightly less screen real estate. The Ultra's anti-reflective coating also enhances outdoor visibility, giving it the edge in display technology. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with a 3nm process and blazing 4.47 GHz Oryon V2 cores outpaces the Pixel 10 Pro's Google Tensor G5, built on 4nm with a top Cortex X4 core at 3.78 GHz. This means the S25 Ultra offers more raw power and efficiency, ideal for multitasking, gaming, and future-proofing your device. When it comes to photography, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel main sensor steals the spotlight, offering incredible detail and versatility across lighting conditions. Its multi-directional PDAF and OIS ensure sharp, stable shots, while 8K video recording at 24-30 FPS captures cinematic moments. The Pixel 10 Pro's triple camera setup is impressive, but can't match the sheer resolution and zoom capabilities of the S25 Ultra. Battery life is neck and neck, with the S25 Ultra holding a slight advantage at 5000 mAh compared to the Pixel 10 Pro's 4870 mAh. That extra juice could mean longer screen-on time for heavy users, especially when paired with the efficient chipset and adaptive display technology. The Pixel 10 Pro offers up to a whopping 16 GB of RAM across all storage variants, topping out at 1 TB, which is fantastic for power users needing intense multitasking and storage. The S25 Ultra maxes out at 16 GB RAM only in its highest storage model, but starts at 12 GB, giving a bit less RAM in lower tiers. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra adds a Bluetooth integrated stylus with gyro support, turning it into a productivity powerhouse. This feature sets it apart for creatives and professionals who want more than just a phone. Price-wise, the Pixel 10 Pro starts at a more accessible $999, making it a compelling choice for those seeking flagship features without the highest price tag. The Galaxy S25 Ultra commands a premium at $1,300, reflecting its top-tier specs and extras like the stylus and superior display.